money to no
It doesn't
agency.
matter. What they tell you is what matters to them.
It does. That's for all that matters in my world. That's what all that matters in my world. What they say, not what some fucking government bullshit agency wants to type on some paper and think. It's what they say. It's what they
You
say
think
in
you
their
do?
heart.
Spending $20 for ice cream ain't.
Goddamn child. Everybody they got kids pay child support except fucking Alky. Everybody else paying child support. Crap, you pay fucking kids my goddamn thing. I'm a fucking dog, you pussy goddamn duck. Fuck you talking about? Everybody goddamn mama pay child support here, man. Even fucking Gracie pay child support, bitch. How the fuck you gonna come at me with that? Fucking Gracie pay child support. Y'all do. What's wrong with him, man? These people cry.
He wants us to give it all to the government because it's one big
conspiracy. Don't the government got
it's one big conspiracy. That's all it is. It's all backed up by that.
What's wrong with this guy, man? Why you?
Fino Fresh.
You like Fino Fresh? Probably one of my more favorite rappers. Probably one of my more favorite rappers. Probably one of my favorite rappers. Probably. Mike the Cannon, why don't you fuck up before your children get home, bro, and start fucking pricing your house? Mike. Oh, it's too late. His house is half on fire.
Mike the Cannon, come up.
They broke half of his shit already and set his house ablaze. Poor Mike. Mike can't even go to the bathroom and masturbate in peace.
Sponsored by ICDC College.
Cannon, I think Cannon shaved technique to make sure it was done properly.
Cannon.
What's up, Mike? How's everything? What that tastes like? What that tastes like? What's up, Croft? How's everything, man?
Hey, what's up? How you doing? What are you eating?
I'm already done now.
Wow.
I'm already done with that. Actually, I was gonna get another helping of it because I'm really hungry.
So the premiere is Tuesday.
Thank you,
Tuesday is the
BCRB.
premiere
I
of
appreciate
Battle
it.
Camp.
This Tuesday coming up, I thought it was the 29th. Tuesday the 29th?
Wait, when is it?
It's the 26th or the 29th?
Oh, I thought it was.
I don't know. I'm guessing. It's the 26th or the 29th. Which one is it? I mean, I don't know. Is it Tuesday? Is it really Tuesday? See? Who just said
Monday or next Monday, the 29th? Next. Oh, the 29th?
See, AZ Lick ass just said the 29th. Serious. They should have posted that shit. Why did they not post